Mr. Dad. Here he is. And today we'll be doing the rides at Edinburgh Christmas. So that's going to be great today.
You're not going to get a look at the markets though. The markets are going to be on my other channel. Baz isn't on that. It's just called Scotland. So if you want to have a look at the markets and stuff, and all the trinkets and stuff you can buy and the food, that's with me. But Baz is going to lead this one, so have a nice time with Baz on Roller Baz and Coaster Dad.
Yeah. So as you heard there, it's going to be on Scotland. Go check it out if you have the time. And yeah, let's go on some rides. So guys, we are going to be going on the western end of Edinburgh Christmas today for the rides. This is usually where the smaller rides are, but Techno Power is here today, so interesting switcheroo. And yeah,
there's a frog hopper too.
Frog hopper.
Yeah, they've upped the level. They've got a little mini coaster. They've got a few extra things.
Up the level. We left it up in the level, but we will see you in there.
Articles before riding.
Okay guys, we are going on the Super Jumper by Taylor's. Oh, hey, oh! Oh god, it tickles. It does tickle. It tickles so much. Oh my god, this is amazing. Oh. Oh. Oh my god. Oh, it's amazing. Oh. Oh my gosh. It's amazing, man.
Look out, here we go.
Oh, look out, here we go.
This is number 1. Attention!
Oh, wow. Oh la la. What the heck?
Hello, baby. Hello, baby.
What is that? Hello.
Look out, here we go.
Wait, what?
Oh la la.
Oh,
Look out,
jeez.
here we go.
Oh, jeez. Here we go. Oh.
So we have just come off the Super Jumper and it was very good. It did cost £7, which is a bit pricey, but hey, it's like theme park prices. They're quite high in price. But anyways, it was really fun, and I think we're going to go on Techno Power next, wherever that is over there. And we might do a waltzer later, so it's going to be great. So see you then.
Do you have Dodgems here? These are actually £8 per car, so the prices are a bit higher this year.
Come on, children, one way round the track, please. One way round the track, please. One way round the track, please.
Baz is just getting ready here to get on Taylor's Techno Power.
So, hello guys, it's all in action here at Techno Power, and we're on Techno Power. That's all I can say for now. I think it's going to be really good. And there's the thing that that we just went on. Also, there's a little like spinny ride for any little kids that want to come to Edinburgh Christmas. Do check it out. And I think we're about to start lifting up. Oh, there's the weird trailer place. Oh, and here we go. We are in action, guys. No hands. You can see my hands right here. Oh my god. Oh my gosh, we get to see Edinburgh Castle. This is insane. Oh my goodness. Oh no, my shoelaces are come untied. I can't keep my shoes on. Oh no. Oh god. It's a fight to keep my shoes on now, guys. Ah! Oh, it's a fight to keep my shoes on now, guys. Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Ah. Oh no. Okay, I gotta make sure my shoe doesn't fall off. Okay, we're still having fun, right? We're still having fun. Okay, so, oh jeez. So far, I think this is a really good ride. We're doing a little review mid-ride, so I hope you like it. And it's just like, yeah, we're just spinning. We are forcefully being spinned up and down and around and up and down and around. And around and up and down and round. So yeah, there's a little algorithm for you. Oh, a little clunk there. I think we shifted gears. Guys, I think we shifted gears in the bike. The bike has shifted gears from 1 to 10. Back. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm so scared. Oh my, ow. This is hurting me. Oh my god. Just continue it, please. Please continue it. Ah. Sorry guys, my hand's disturbing the POV. Oh man, oh jeez, this is hurting. Oh, everybody hurts. Oh, jeez. Oh, okay, I gotta escape. I can't escape. And I've got to keep my shoe on. Oh no, it's clunked twice. Ah! It's hell on earth, guys. Well, it's calmed down a little bit, but it's gone faster. So it's got, oh, this is fun. Oh my god, it tickles me. It's tickling me. Oh, the G-forces! Oh! Jesus. Ow, God. Oh, I'm crossing my legs now. It's got to extend. Oh, jeez, please stop. You're ripping my leg off. Oh, jeez. Oh, when I said break a leg, I didn't mean like this. Oh. Oh. Ah. Ah. Scream! Fudge. Oh, shoot! Oh. Thank you for having me.
When the safety bar's open, please collect your belongings and exit the ride.
Oh.
As you're with the giant bear, you better tell us about Techno Power.
So guys, Techno Power. That was ripping my leg off while untying my shoelace. But that's the most intense Techno Power that I've ever been on. Like, that thing throws you around the place. Good cycle. I think, like, it's just crazy. Let's. Oh, hello.
£7.50, but I remembered to get Edinburgh resident discount this time, so £6 to us. But £7.50, bit pricey.
Yeah.
Dodgems, I looked at the Dodgems while you were on there. £8. £8.
Like I said earlier in the episode, theme park prices, man. It's like, yeah. And so we are going to go on a next ride. I'm not sure what it's going to be, but we'll have a little look around. So we'll see you guys in a minute.
We don't need this cred. You've already got it, right, Baz?
I'm a pro theme parker. I've already got it.
I haven't got it. I'm bigger than the kiddie creds. I'm bigger than the kiddie creds, everybody. Bye bye, Santa. Bye bye. Deliver them presents, dude.
Starflyer. It is 80 meters high, guys. It's very tall.
Are you going to go on it, Baz?
Yeah, I'm going to go on it.
Okay, report back. Have a nice ride. I'm going to save some money because everything here is really expensive today. Baz will tell us how much it costs when he gets back.
Here we go, guys. We are on around the world XXL. This is gonna be, oh man, I've forgotten how scared. Oh jeez. Oh no, oh no, 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 not today. No, please, no. Oh god. You might want to look to your left so you don't suffocate in the air. Oh jeez. Oh. Oh my. Oh jeez, 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 jeez. Oh no, we're speeding up, we're speeding up. How cold it is up there in November. Oh man. It really takes your breath away, that one, guys. So I think that's it. So see you later.
So how much was it, Baz?
It was £10.
Did you get an Edinburgh discount?
That was with the.
Oh wow, how much was it without? 12 or
£12.50.
£12.50, blimey, Charlie, that is a lot. But how was it?
Oh, it's amazing. Like this leg is really taking the whammy today because turbo power was just. I mean techno power was just like, it was so intense that it felt like I was going to rip my leg off. And then that was really intense that it felt like I was going to rip my leg off. So, yeah, crazy.
So, you've had 3 rides today, you looked at some others. What was your ride recommendation? What was the best one that you shouldn't miss?
You should not miss the newly updated Techno Power, I think.
Techno Power's the one this year, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay, so you've heard it there. If you are visiting Edinburgh's Christmas for the rides, it is...
Techno Power.
I'm going to hand over to Baz and he's going to give you a Rollerball and Coaster Dad outro. But if you want to see the markets, that'll be with me on Scotland.
Okay guys, so we have just had a great evening at Edinburgh Christmas. It's been amazing. We've done 3 rides. The number 1 is probably Techno Power. Definitely know that. And there's been a lot of other good rides. Totally recommend coming here if you're from another country, coming to Edinburgh. You have to try this when it's open. So that's all from me. And I have been Roller Baz, and he's been Coaster Dad. Bye.